Good day, guys. This is your tutor engineer. We are continuing with our number patterns lessons. We'll be doing geometric sequence and simultaneous equations. So let's start with today's lesson. The second term in geometric sequence is -4, and the fifth term is 32. Determine the formula of the nth term of this sequence, that is Tn. Okay, so let's start with question 1. Since you know we're dealing with a geometric sequence, our general formula is Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. Okay, so we've been given that T2 is -4. So T2 is equal to AR. So n is 2 in this case, -1. This is the second term, which is equal to -4. So this will simplify as AR is equal to -4. So we can just stop here and call this equation 1. And then we are told that the fifth term is 32. So that is T5 is equal to AR 5 minus 1, which is the fifth term, equals 32. So AR 4 is 32. Then we'll call this the second equation. Since we're dealing with a simultaneous equation, we can further simplify the first equation as A is equal to -4 over R. Then you can replace A on the second equation by -4 over R. And then we will have -4 R cubed is 32. You can just divide by -4 both sides. R cubed will be equal to -8. Remember, we can rewrite -8 as -2, right, to the power 3. And then we can say therefore R is basically equals to -2. Now let's go to the equation 1. And then since you know that R is -2, you can just calculate for A. Then we'll get A is equal to 2. Now we have the nth general formula of Tn is equal to A, right? A is 2 and R is -2 raised by n minus 1. Okay, so that's the first question. Let's go to the second question. It says which term has a value of -1024. Okay, so let's write here question 2. So which term has the value of -1024? Remember, this is our general formula, so we'll equate it to -1024, and then we calculate for n. That will give us the term. So here we can just simplify it by dividing both sides by 2. We'll have -2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to minus. So divide by 2. 1024 divided by 2 is 512. So -512 can be further simplified as -2 to the power 9. Since the bases are the same on both sides, we'll say therefore n minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore n is equal to 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. So we can conclude that therefore it's T10, which is the 10th term, is equal to minus 1024. Now let's go to the last question, question 3. Determine the 8th term of the sequence. And let's write here question 3. So the 8th term will be T8 is equal to 2 minus 2. So where there is n, we'll replace by 8. So here T8 is equal to 2 minus 2, this is to the power minus 7. So I'll just use here a calculator. We'll say minus 2 to the power of 7 times 2, which gives us minus 2, 5, 6. Right, so this is the 8th term. So we've come to the end of our today's lesson. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe. There's more where that came from, and stay tuned on the next lesson. Cheers.